Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best backyard kiddie pools in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Intex Dinosaur Inflatable Play Center. The Intex Dinosaur Inflatable Play Center is the perfect addition to any backyard. This inflatable play center features a slide, a pool, and a sprayer. The slide is perfect for little ones to cool off on a hot day. The pool is great for splashing around, and the sprayer is perfect for keeping cool on a hot day. This inflatable play center is sure to keep your little ones entertained for hours. For the tiniest toddlers, this friendly dino will provide a splashin' good time. Designed for toddlers, it's a great introduction to water before they're ready to dive into a bigger pool. This pick proves just big enough to sit and play, but light and portable enough to move around or take to the park, beach, or pool. It also comes with 6 plastic balls and a patch in case it springs a leak. Also, we give it bonus points for the adorable and inviting design. Number 2. Our second best pick is Intex Rainbow Ring Inflatable Play Center. For kids who are looking for a little more water action, there's this bright, inflatable play center that will keep them busy for hours. It comes with a water slide, wading pool, ring toss game, and a ball roller game, complete with balls and rings. It also comes with a water sprayer, which can be attached to a garden hose for extra wet fun. All of the added features that lead to hours of outdoor fun makes this pick our favorite. Also, there's plenty of room for several kids to play at a time. Customers rave about this product and say it's easy to set up and kids love it. One thing to note, this pick doesn't come with a blower for inflation, so you'll have to provide that yourself. The large pool comes with tons of positives, but also means you may have to allot a bit more time to set up. Number 3. Our third best pick is Intex Kiddie Pool Kids Summer Sunset Glow Design. This Intex Kiddie Pool is perfect for your little ones to enjoy in the summer sun. It features a bright and colorful sunset design that will make them feel like they're at the beach. The pool is made of durable vinyl construction and is easy to set up and take down. It's the perfect size for your little ones to splash around in and have a blast. What better way to cool off your child on a hot summer day than in a cute little pool made just for them? You only need a few inches of water to provide your little one with relief, adding to the ease factor of this pick. Additionally, the pool takes minutes to set up and just a few minutes to fill. The bottom of the pool gets inflated to provide some cushioning against the hard ground or rocks. As with all kiddie pools, never leave your child unattended. Your kid will enjoy this for years past as a nice place to sit back and relax. If you plan on hosting any barbecues, you could even fill it with ice as an impromptu cooler. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Intex Metal Frame Pool with Filter Pump. When you want a bit more space for the water action, there's this 12-foot pool from Intex. It's 30 inches deep, and it comes with a filter pump to keep the water clean. The sides are made of laminated PVC to keep it sturdy, and a ground fault circuit interrupter is included which will automatically shut the pump off if water happens to come into contact with the electrical current. Our tester loved the easy setup process. With just 3 steps, you can have it set up and ready to fill with water in just 30 minutes. It also comes in larger sizes if you want even more space for swimming. However, our tester did note that the large space required and access to a power source makes this pick not for everyone. An affordable pool that is an alternative to more complicated steel-walled pools, and a more durable alternative to inflatable models. Easy to assemble, ready for water in just 30 minutes. Dual suction outlet fittings improve water circulation, resulting in better water hygiene and clarity. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is BANZAI Sprinkle and Amp Splash Play Mat. This fun-filled BANZAI Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat is a must-have for a summer full of outdoor fun. With its big 54-inch diameter, this mat is perfect for kids to enjoy running through the sprinklers and splashing around in the water. The durable vinyl construction can withstand plenty of wear and tear, while the built-in sprinkler system will keep little ones cool all summer long. If your little one isn't quite ready to swim but still wants to splash around in the water, this is a perfect choice for them. Featuring an adorable design of little sea creatures, its squishy water-filled border acts like a sprinkler, while the pool itself holds just enough water for your little one to enjoy. The playmat proves easy to assemble and only requires your garden hose for quick solutions to beat the heat. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.